knew that was coming. There's nothing I can do about it. Just take the pelting. It's kind of like when you're getting in trouble, just take the whooping. The things I do for YouTube, for the 84 viewers, appreciate you guys a lot. Hey, welcome back to the channel. 2022 corn harvest started here in East Central Indiana. Today I'm manning the grain elevator, auger, whatever you want to call it, loading the bin with corn. Dad's on the grain cart. Lucas has his John Deere 9500. It is stupid windy. Like I had to tuck around the side of the building just to do this intro. I'm just going to record some things. I'll throw some music up because you're not going to be able to hear me if I get over there next to the tractors with the wind and all the noise. So. Ooh. I think I got demoted to cart operator. So we've got a camera up there on the auger spout. So we've got a monitor here. And I bought it. We put it right here because right out that window is where the auger is, or where it's unloading at. So I can look right here and right here at the same time to see how we're filling up inside the truck, plus how we're unloading right here. It's kind of a strain on the neck, but it's where everything's at. It's like 200 degrees inside this cab. So I put the drone into a tree, jumped the fence, had barbed wire, tore my pants. I didn't want to record, so I didn't. But we got all done with this corn here on the main farm that we own. This truck here is loaded. This is the last bit. We had some problems with the stirring device, so we had to work on that yesterday, and I didn't record any of it, but I'm going to climb up there. I'm going to check to make sure that the corn's pretty level. Then we're going to work on putting this last load of corn in. Maybe about 500 bushel. Not a great yield. I think we were looking at like probably around 170. I know nothing fantastic, but it rained 3 times the entire summer here. So, like, it could have been worse. Could have been a lot worse. So let's get this 185. So I'll hop on this 185. We're gonna get it fired up, get it start warm up, then we'll climb up the bin. I'm sure I've shared this before, but that's the stirring device. It's mostly level. It's a little down on this side. Unfortunately, I can tell you that stirrator is not moving just by looking. What sucks, it's just staying in one place. That means we get to climb back in that stinking nasty thing. Fortunately, it's ran through everything. There's no cavities inside of there, so never safe to necessarily climb in one, but danger is pretty low. Since that sweep's gone all the way around, there wouldn't be any holes or cavities in this bin. Plus, there's not a ton of grain in here, so you'll be in a splendid mood with that, I can assure you. Okay, let's go get this truck going. Alright guys, well that was the end of our corn harvest. I was actually editing and realized that I just blatantly stopped recording everything. It was done, we put stuff away, and I didn't do any closing, so here's closing. That was 2022 corn harvest. 180-ish, 175 to 180 bushel per acre. Moisture not terribly bad. So there's some stuff coming up, like today. I've got this in the background as a sneak peek. We're gonna do something, and that's it. So thank you, appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for sticking with us through corn season this year.